Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 TVS Jupiter has captured the attention of two-wheeler enthusiasts with its innovative features and a fresh take on sustainable mobility. As one of India's most trusted scooter brands, TVS has once again proven its commitment to blending style, performance, and eco-friendliness. The 2025 iteration of the Jupiter comes with several advancements, most notably the introduction of a CNG-powered variant. This groundbreaking move positions TVS as a pioneer in the alternative fuel segment, providing riders with an option that is both economical and environmentally responsible. The TVS Jupiter 2025 model retains its classic design elements while incorporating modern touches to appeal to a broader audience. Its sleek body lines, premium finishes, and aerodynamic structure make it a head-turner on urban roads. The LED lighting system not only enhances visibility but also adds a contemporary flair. The scooter offers a range of vibrant colors, ensuring there's something to suit every rider's personality. One of the standout features of the 2025 Jupiter is its dual-fuel capability in the CNG variant. This model allows riders to switch seamlessly between CNG and petrol, offering unmatched convenience and flexibility. Equipped with a 1.4 kilogram CNG tank strategically placed under the seat, it provides ample storage while maintaining safety standards. Additionally, a 2-liter petrol tank on the floorboard ensures extended range, making it ideal for daily commutes. With an impressive fuel economy of 84 kilometers per kilogram of CNG and a combined range of 226 kilometers, the Jupiter CNG is set to redefine cost-effective transportation. Under the hood, the TVS Jupiter 2025 houses a refined 124.8cc single-cylinder engine. This powertrain delivers a smooth and reliable performance, generating 7.1 bhp at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 9.4 Newton-meters of torque at 5,500 revolutions per minute. Whether navigating congested city streets or cruising on open roads, the Jupiter offers a comfortable and responsive ride. The scooter's top speed of 80 km/h makes it suitable for urban commuters seeking efficiency without compromising on performance. The 2025 Jupiter is packed with features designed to enhance the rider's experience. Its semi-digital instrument console provides all essential information at a glance, while the LED headlamp ensures clear visibility even during nighttime rides. TVS has also included its innovative IntelliGo technology, which automatically turns off the engine during idle moments to conserve fuel and reduce emissions. This smart start-stop system is particularly useful in traffic-heavy areas, where frequent stops are common. Comfort and convenience are at the heart of the TVS Jupiter's design. The scooter's ergonomic seating ensures a relaxed posture for both the rider and pillion, making long rides more enjoyable. Additional features like a side stand indicator, external fuel filler, and ample storage options further add to its practicality. Safety is not compromised, with features like a sturdy braking system and 2 Blues tires providing optimal grip and control. The 2025 TVS Jupiter is a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and sustainability. While the CNG variant has been showcased as a concept at the Bharat Mobility Expo 2025, its potential for mass-market appeal is undeniable. This model is not just a scooter, it's a step toward a greener and more economical future. With its blend of style, performance, and eco-conscious features, the TVS Jupiter 2025 is set to make waves in the two-wheeler market, appealing to both seasoned riders and first-time buyers.